Today we're working on 2.2 is we get to develop formulas for areas of rectangles. Who remembers what a formula is? Who remembers what a formula is? Yes. It's a number model. So we're going to have a number model, okay? Last week we worked on perimeter, and perimeter was much different. Sometimes, always, fourth graders get perimeter and area different, okay? So perimeter, just to have it up here for you, we'll do orange, okay? Perimeter is, remember it was L plus W plus W, and we said it was the line segment lengths added together, right? So perimeter had to do with addition, okay? Today area is actually, it is multiplication, exactly. So it's going to be L times W, and I should make the P equals and A equals, okay? A equals L times W, okay? And so today you're doing all multiplication. Why do you think you would need to know the area of a figure? So I love this. Every time we're talking about a math skill, we understand it's a life skill. Did anybody have any other reasons why we need to know? Yes. It would help you plant the garden. When we're not doing perimeter would help, but area is what we're working on today, right? Okay. Yes, why else?
Can you help me with this math problem? Please let's do it. I'm having a very hard time. 6, and then they just failed because of you.
So to help. Yeah, okay. Good. So, installing carpet or building tiles, there's all sorts of reasons why you'd want to know the area. Let me connect it back to last week's work, okay? This is the area. You could look at the area of something like this as an array. So an array connects to areas. I think you had seen areas like this before. So the area is like how many boxes are in there. And those boxes have everything to do with this, friends. Eyes here. I don't have enough eyes here. These boxes have everything to do with the measures. Do you see how I've made 4 boxes going this way? Let's say they're centimeters, right? That means the measure of this square is 4 centimeters. And do you see how I have 4 boxes going this way? Those are the centimeters. So the measure of this square is 4 centimeters. So this area is 4 times 4 is 16. So the length is 4 and the width is 4. Is everybody okay with that idea? How I've gone from doing arrays, it's 4 by 4, to doing area, and you could even see all the dots in the middle here set up in the same way, right? Okay. Let's say I have a rectangle that's 4 inches and 2 inches. Turn and talk to your partner. How would you figure out the area of this figure? What did you solve for the area? What did you and your partner talk about, sir? Perimeter equals the length times the width. Here's what's really beautiful about multiplication as well. is you can switch the numbers and still find the same number, right? So yes, so what was said, the perimeter equals 4 times 2. So the perimeter equals, what does it equal? Is what? Is 8. And you can test this by drawing 1, 2, 4 boxes across, and then 2 boxes down, and you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So it's simply, there's no addition involved today. There's no addition involved today. It's simply multiplication, and here's your formula. Perimeter equals length times width. Yes, so yes, thank you for pointing out my mistake, because I, like fourth graders, get those mixed up. It's area equals length times width.